Welcome to the CPS ECP webpage. Today I'll be showing you how to order card replacements using our new website. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in, click on the login button on the top right and use your credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your name up on the top right. Now you'll want to hover over Store and click on Online Store. This will bring you to our online store where you can see all the products available for sale. If you can't find the PCOC card right away, look on the right side, you'll see a sorting menu. You'll want to select the Pleasurecraft Operator card, and this will narrow down the search. You should now see the PCOC card replacement product. You'll want to click on it. Now that you're on the PCOC replacement card page, you have two options. You can select member or non-member. The price differs based on whether you're a member or non-member of CPS ECP. If you're a member of CPS ECP, your price will be slightly lower. In this case, for myself, I'll be selecting non-member and go ahead. We're now in the cart. We're going to make sure our product details are correct and we're going to select proceed to checkout. Now on the billing page, we'll make sure we've entered all the information regarding our billing and select place order. Finally, on the order details page, you'll get a confirmation of your order. This will confirm that your purchase went through.